latest report I read on skills in the Agile world from Business Agility Institute and Scrum Alliance says too many Agile coaches, not enough Scrum Masters. And I completely agree. When I look at LinkedIn, when I talk to people, there are loads of Agile coaches. Not many people left as Scrum Masters. And I've been an Agile coach, I will admit that as well. But what is the difference? Why is the market saying we need more Agile coaches and we've got too many? Why is the market saying we've got too many Agile coaches and we need more Scrum Masters? And it really comes down to the market values people who do stuff. Okay? Which sounds terrible because, Agile coaches tend to be good people. They're trying to get stuff done. But what is the result of an Agile coach's work? Okay? Depending on who they are and where they are, it may take a long time to see somebody who's operating in a program or organizational layer trying to help agility grow. And when money gets tight, and if you're not sure, look at the economy now, those people get cut because we need results. Scrum Masters, on the other hand, have a tangible benefit. You can see whether they're doing a good job or not. Their team is improving or not. Okay? The report actually says people aren't valuing the roles as much as the skills, and I completely agree with that as well. What I'm hoping to see is, along with the decline of Agile coaches who are very good at talking but not very good at doing, is going to be the decline of the Scrum Master who is a glorified team admin. Okay? I've got no time for it. Brutally honest, I don't like people who waste time or waste money. Okay? And that's what they do. Okay? If, as a Scrum Master, you think that your job is to turn up, facilitate a meeting, and move stuff on a board, I'd be quite happy if you're no longer a Scrum Master. There you go. You may not like that. What I want are people who turn up to work with teams directly, are interested in creating an environment that really helps those teams be better at what they do. As a Scrum Master, you may have technical skills, you may be a developer as well. Great, wasn't for me. But you could be the Scrum Master who has great communication skills and leadership skills and conflict navigation skills. You are somebody who is brought in to help people have better conversations. And that can be a really compelling and impactful role. We work with our minds. The knowledge working world is all about the brain. It's about talking to people. The first value of the Agile Manifesto, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. As Scrum Masters, we can be so valuable in that situation. Not about the processes and tools, not ensuring that people are following Scrum to the letter. Don't care. That they're using the mandated tool correctly. Don't care about that either. How about we are the people who ensure that those developers can talk to each other when they need to about what they need to. And they can talk to other people outside of the team, maybe in other development teams, maybe in other areas of the business. We're the people who ensure that the individuals have the right interactions when they need them. Okay. Agile coaches could do that. I'll be honest, and I've worked with many who do. I've worked with more who don't. They do a good job of talking. Okay. I'm kind of happy that we're seeing this decline. Okay. Not happy that people are losing their jobs, don't get me wrong. But I think we're at a point where it's interesting in the Agile world. We're being required to step up and be counted, along with everybody else. Okay? It's clear if a developer's doing a good job or not. Their product is being built or not, to a quality or not. But what about the Scrum Masters? What about the Agile coaches? How are we held to account for the money we cost, the time we take? What I really want to come out of this, Agile coach or Scrum Master, is a much better set of contracting. As Scrum Masters, when we join teams, we talk to them about how we can help them, how they can know whether we are helping them. What are the measures? How do we help them improve? Okay? And then we'd be held to that. Agile coaches working in the wider organization, same thing. I want them, and I know those people are less likely to be cut. Unfortunately, If you're making 100 people redundant in one go, you're not going to put the effort in to work out which ones are good and not. That is just a sad part of society. But the ones who have done that, the ones who have sat down with their teams, their organizations, and said, how can I be counted? How will you know that I do a good job? They have data. They have to have data, because how else can they demonstrate their value to the team, to the organization? They can put that data into their CVs online. They can write case studies. This is how I helped a team improve. This is how I helped an organization improve. They are valuable additions to our profession. The others, it's okay. They'll find another job. They'll move on. Okay? I wish them the best, because it does look like their days are numbered here. And that is a blessing to us. That allows us to continue being professionals, to improve constantly in our profession. Follow that pathway wherever it takes you. Develop those skills beyond just Agile. But what else can we do? We can do facilitation, teams dynamics. We can understand products and organizational change and improvement. There's many, many areas that we can delve into and help organizations be better. Because at the core of it, that's what we're about. Creating environments where teams and organizations can be effective at what they need to do.